So I've got a social media marketing agency and use my phone literally all day, every day to try and help me make £10,000 a month in pre-tax revenue. And I'm guessing you've clicked on this video to try and teach yourself on how to make a good side hustle. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you 3 ways that you can make a side hustle with this thing, your iPhone. Each 3 ways is going to be a different way that you can make money using your iPhone and could actually potentially remove yourself from your 9-to-5 job and just work from this thing. The first one is social media management. This is where you run companies or brand social media accounts for a fixed monthly retainer, for example, £250 or £350 a month, depending on how much work you're doing, just to keep their accounts active. The client would send you a load of photos and a load of videos. You'd go onto Instagram and Facebook, schedule it for the whole month and send them an invoice and obviously get paid. Well, hopefully that's the idea of this anyway. There are so many businesses out there who just don't want to post on Instagram and don't want to post on TikTok and Instagram Reels and Facebook. And I'd rather just pay you £350 just to do it for a whole month. For a company to pay you $250, $350 to just sort it out for them is nothing. But for you, if you get 5 or 10 of those, you're making £3,000, £4,000, £5,000 a month, depending on how many clients you've got. So this is a really good way to make money from your phone. And I do just want to add one thing to that first point, is if you know how to take photos and videos like I know how to, either on a camera or your iPhone, depending on that client's budget, you can offer them a bigger package for you to actually go to their location, take the videos, take the photos, either on a camera or a phone, and then edit it and schedule it throughout their social media. I've got friends who are doing it. I do it myself from anywhere from £1,000 to £2,000 a month per client. It works really, really well. I've just uploaded a video recently on that, so if you want to check that out, check it out. The link will be in the description. But anyway, that's the first point. To sum it up, social media management. Run companies' social media accounts. It can be anything from restaurants to dentist practices to building merchants. Every company needs social media. So if you spot something they're doing wrong, send them an email, ask if you can get involved and go from there. The second way is creating Instagram and TikTok Reels for companies. Now, TikTok and Instagram Reels has an unbelievable reach. It can get millions and millions of views for probably the dumbest video of a food being smoked out or fire in a cocktail or something like that. If you work out how to edit videos using your phone, or if you're a bit more technical, you can of course use Premiere Pro or Final Cut or DaVinci. But if you can work out how to edit videos to capture somebody's attention, you can sell Instagram Reels or TikToks to a company like restaurants, or what I mentioned before, nightclubs, events. Anybody who uses social media would take advantage of your skills posting on Instagram and TikTok. And again, if that client has a little bit of a bigger budget, they can also use you for social media management of what I told you earlier in this video. It's literally what I do day in, day out, but I don't use my phone. I've got professional high-end cameras where I take photos, videos, run their social media, and they pay me anywhere between £1,000 and £2,000 per month every single month. Again, the link will be in the description if you want to check that video out. And the third and final way on how to make money using your iPhone is probably the most easiest, lucrative, and probably the most paid you're going to get from your iPhone. And the final way is filming behind the scenes at weddings. I've literally seen this be unfolded in front of my eyes. I've got a wedding videography production company. During the summer, I probably shoot 20 or 30 weddings, and I'm not joking you, the amount of people I now see dressed really smart, like myself, in a wedding venue, just taking videos on their iPhone to then put it together at a later stage into Instagram Reels or to share to the broom? Who's gonna marry a broom? What they do is edit the videos to post at a later stage, and they also take over the bride and groom's social media account, so then they can post stories throughout the day just to update their friends and families who probably couldn't unfortunately be there. The reason why this works so well is, just name me an occasion a bride and groom is sitting on their table eating their food like this, just on their phone. I've probably filmed in the last 2 years over 50 weddings, and I've not once seen a bride or a groom have their phone on them. First of all, the bride cannot even hold the phone in her dress, and the groom just probably wouldn't want to be seen sat there texting his other girlfriends. But I've seen people charge literally anywhere upwards from £850 to £1,500 to go there on the day, take over their social media, post stories, capture photos and videos, edit it up into an Instagram reel, and just show the behind the scenes of makeup, getting ready, walking down the aisle, something that is a bit more personal than an actual wedding videographer taking professional shots. And all I'm going to say is, if you know how to run Facebook and Google ads and you manage to make a website and you can post that and advertise that, there is no reason why you cannot pick up 1 or 2 weddings a week, which would obviously make you £1,000 or £2,000 in a week. And the best thing is, it's not like my job where I have to come back, export the footage, take all the SD card out, edit it to a professional standard. Yes, obviously I'm getting paid more than £850 for it. But for you, it's just post on the day, and when you go home, you're pretty much done. It's probably the easiest £1,000 you're going to make in a single day. And some of you might think that point is quite unrealistic, someone paying you £850 just to turn up on your phone and film behind the scenes, but I'm just gonna hold my hands up and tell you the truth. I turn up on a wedding day with 1 camera and film a professional aftermath video. It's pretty much like a Netflix trailer for their wedding day. And I charge anywhere from £2,500 and £3,500 for my top package. So if they're paying me that for a professional standard, why wouldn't they pay you £850 for a slightly lower, more intimate, personal, behind the scenes version? Just think about it. So if this video helped you out at all, maybe gave you a bit of motivation, maybe gave you a few ideas, I'd really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. There's more videos like this to come. And most importantly, help me out by slapping a like on the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, buddy.